Thanks, Jordan. Several groups have teamed up to stomp out HIV by hosting their first ever health fair. The event is hosted by Thrive Alabama and will have a free on-site HIV mobile testing unit. It's happening this Saturday at Big Spring Park from 1 to 5 p.m. And the fair will have step performances, a drum line, music, and food. Part of Thrive Alabama's mission is to fill what's needed in healthcare.
So whether that means going into the community to offer some sort of testing for COVID, or going to the community to offer testing for HIV, or making sure that when people come for STI testing, that it's easy to access and full of the knowledge that people need to feel comfortable and safe.
The health fair will also offer COVID testing. For more details, just head on over to rocketcitynow.com.